Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around a stunning Nevada white metallic SEAT Ibiza that's just come into our stock. Now this is a 2021 model and this is powered with the TSI turbocharged engine. So this engine gives you plenty of economy but also a fair amount of torque or acceleration to get you up the hills. Now this car's just arrived in stock with us, having covered just over 30,000 miles and is in fantastic condition. So I'm going to give you a quick little run through showing you what it's all about. Now the Ibiza in its carnations has been around for many years. It had a 30-year anniversary not too long ago, so it's been a phenomenal car for us as a brand. And this shape has grown over the years, like all of the cars seem to have done nowadays. So you've got seating for 4 people, 5 at a push. You've got a lovely sized boot there with a split folding rear seat. That's a 60-40 split. You've got these lovely 16-inch alloy wheels. And inside, if you are carrying little people, you do have 2 Isofix fitments as well. When you move along to the driving seat, you've got a multifunction steering wheel, you've got a satellite navigation incorporated in the media system. So let me jump in and I'll give you a run through. So you've got a digital radio, you've got multiple different displays that you can adopt, and you can just swipe through all with the touchscreen. So you've got a full postcode set up in there as well. You also have Bluetooth hands-free, and if you'd like to, you can run through and stream music. 5-speed manual gearbox, cruise control, as well as a speed limiter, and there you go, you can just see just over 31,000 miles. Now the car's in great condition. It'll come with a 12-month MOT, and it'll come freshly serviced and with a 12-month warranty as well. So if you're looking for a car that could do the job, then please don't hesitate to get in touch, as we don't expect this one to hang around very long. Thank you for watching, and if we can help you any further, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for that. Bye bye.